YouTube channel. Now I am reviewing studs companies of helmet which is having a ASE mark, and now let's unbox this product and see how they delivered me, and we can check it. First we remove this wrapper. Firstly we see that what is that. It is MRP of RS 1075 including a fault access, quantity 1, and it is a full face helmet. Size is 580 mm. It is L size and manufacture date is 15th November 2021. Chrome economy and color is black, and P center stripe it is having. It is manufactured by the Studs Accessories Limited. It is Balagram, Faridabad, Haryana, India. It is having the ISO mark. You see that the ISO mark 4151 ISO mark. Let's check and unbox this item, how it looks to be. I just ordered from Amazon. Let's see. It is wrapped with the paper. It's normal paper. Let's see how it looks. Actually, it is good looking. Mostly I like that the silver strap over there, chrome. I like this chrome. The sticker is very nice, and the main reason I buy it is the sticker. It is also having good quality, and I'm checking is there anything. We are having the user manual of Studs company, how to use and how to do. So let's remove this thing. It's just the manual how to use, just how to put the helmet and all those things. It will use it for the user to guide. So let's nearby. Now we can see any damages. We check first. Is there any damages? So foam. Let's open the lock. Okay. Somewhat threads. Fast use करेंगे. Up to now that sticker is not very. It is not sticky, but we can arrange it. It is at the order. It is not. It is like silver tape which is they use, and it is telling that L size and having the ASA mark and the sticker of the Studs. Here it is the silver one which comes from the company. So overall it looks fine. When come to the visor, they told me that it is a scratch resistant visor, and it is polycarbonated silicone hard coated, so it is scratch resistant. It is a good thing to hear. So to maintain good field of vision, formation of scratches and accuracy of the dirt and the visor screen should be avoided. So visor is it is easy to use and it is not having any scratches. So we have to remove this before using. Remove this protective film before using the helmet. So let's check once again that it is fit to my head. After checking it, we will know that it is suitable or it is a good size or the perfect size. It is a nice fit. My head is not moving. It is fit to my head. Actually, I ordered the L size. My head size is 57.5 centimeters, but I ordered 58 centimeters. Why? Because I recently cut my hair, so I done my haircut. So I ordered 58 centimeters. If I grow somewhat half centimeter of the hair, it will protect. Overall, it is a good product. You can see that the helmet is 1 kg, 1000 grams. So overall the stickers, you know that the visor is fine. It is a scratch resistant, and the helmet is a black, and the silver strips are very good looking. When you are wearing this helmet, make sure that the helmet is fit to your head, exactly the same. Don't go for the small sizes and as well as the large sizes. Before you going, half centimeter will be fine. Why? Because if you are having the low, if you already done the haircut, so you go for the little bit half-inch size. So in between you can see in the measuring chart. So after that you buy. Actually, it's a good product. So I have to check how many months it lasts. I already see a video in my YouTube that one who done the experiment on this thing. So when he is hitting the hammer, it is having only pens. So I will provide the link in the description. This is the overall experience I am buying this helmet. So maybe day after tomorrow, or I am using this helmet. So I will remove this visor. So I will remove this sticker on the visor. So after that, it is very comfortable. Overall experience, I am having good experience on this helmet. It is nice looking, and it is nicely fit to my head. There is no problem. See, it is not moving. My head is fixed to this, and I am easily removing. So overall, it is nice. It's a L size. My head size is the same. So that's the reason I buy this helmet. Hopefully, it is less weight, and very protective. If you want to see another video, which I provide in the link in the description, so please like that video, and as well as mine. So please like my video and subscribe my channel for the more unboxing things and the fitness things. I will update each and everything. So it is solid and good looking helmet. So it is not having any, I'm just hitting very hard. So if you want to check with the hammer, please go for the video on the link in the description. So overall experience, is a good product. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe and support my channel. Thank you very much, guys, and click on the bell icon for getting the new notifications as well as. Thank you very much.